Dang it. Darn it. Oh, crap. Yeah. Come on. What's wrong with me? Let's do it before. Yeah. Shoot. Crap. Oh, I think the floor sucks. Okay, let's do this, Toad. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Ah. No, I'm gonna take a few deep breaths. Okay, Toad, don't stress. Don't stress out. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Why do I always suck? Ah, come in. Uh, hey, Toad. Oh, hey, Pluto. Whoa! Where did you get that? Oh, what? Oh, this is my lion. Wow, where did you get that from? Oh, I got it from the pet store. What? That is so awesome! Wait, why would they have lions for in the pet store? Aren't they dangerous? And are lions don't live in Africa? I know, but that's so weird. And I just found a lion, and I just want to buy it. How much it cost? It costs like similar what that called. It may be called like $30. Wait, it can talk? Oh yeah, I forgot. How silly me. Yeah, it talks. Cool, awesome. Costs $30. Maybe it goes expensive. Well, do you have a pet? No, I don't have a pet. What? Why you don't have a pet? I see every whole entire world has a pet. They have a pet dog. They have a pet sheep. They have a pet zebra. Wait, what did you say? Nothing. Well, I didn't know everyone has a pet. I didn't even know you had a pet. That's so weird. Oh, oh. Well, do you have money on you? Yeah, I was just playing. Well, I was just testing out trending. What about flip challenge? Oh, okay. Well, let me know if you get a pet. You should get a pet, okay? So we can play tag. We can take a walk, and yeah, we can do everything. Okay, sounds good to me. Get my wallet. Wait, where's the pet store? It's not too far. It's like right around the corner. Okay. So I'll see you when you get a pet. We'll just stay here and all stuff like that. Okay. All right. Have fun with your pet lion, I guess. All right. Oh man, I want a pet. I want a pet so bad. So where did he say it go? Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Kasha, Asha, oh. You are it. I guess I'm right. Okay, here we go. This must be the pet store. Oh, please be the visitor. Please be a visitor. Please be a visitor. Are you the manager? Oh, yes, I'm the manager. Oh, wow. Do you sell any pets? Uh, yeah, I do. They're over there. Oh, good. Yay! This is my lucky day. Oh, there's a pet rabbit. Uh, just take your time, sir. Just please hurry up. I want the money. I want the money. I'm so homeless. Wait, what you said? Wait, what you said? Nothing. Oh. Nah, I don't need pet rabbits. Rabbits are really cute. So cute. Please, can I please stay in your home? Not you, Garfield. Cause I know you're homeless. Wait, why do you have Garfield? Uh, he's homeless too. I mean, he was so lonely and no one wants to buy him. I don't believe that crap. You're lying. I'm not choosing you, Garfield. Oh, balls high. Oh. Hey. Well, I don't want to buy you, so. Oh my gosh! Oh my god, it's a pet doggy! Oh! Hey, manager! Yes? Can I keep him? Please! No. Heck no. I'm sorry. This dog is not for sale. What? Well, why do you have him then? Well, it was a mistaken, so you can't have it. How come it's standing there? Uh, it was just I said it's a mistake. We were mistaken. It's a bad dog. Okay, you do not want to know. Okay, it's really terrifying, and I don't think you want it in your house. Okay, I don't care. Give it to me. Okay, you cannot treat your customers like that. Uh, fine, but it will cost you some. How much it costs then? It costs like $50. No, you just made that up. You don't even know how the rest of this. There's probably one other animal that should be in a cage. This doesn't make no sense. It's supposed to be in a cage. Why were they let out? What if all the animals escape like they might have a rampage? That's so stupidity. You don't make you just make up the rules. There should be other pet rules, and this does not look like a professor. This is like a full piece of crap. So give me it. Okay, $6. Deal. Here's the wallet. Now come on, doggy. Let's go. You really had no idea. You have been warned. Oh, don't worry, doggy. I will take care of you as soon as possible. Ah, I can't really Blue Toad. He's gonna be so happy for me. Ooh. Okay. Now close the door. So I was like, and I was like, whoa. You like that? Yeah, that's kind of funny. Hey, Blue Toad! Oh, hey, Toad! Oh my gosh! Is that a doggy? Yeah, I found it! It was in the pet store, and that pet manager was so mean. He was so rude. He just made up all the rules and crap, like stuff like that. But I don't care. I love this doggy. Be nice, doggy, okay? Wow, he's so feisty, but he's so cute. I love it. He's so manly and cool and stuff. Yeah, I like it. Well, how much it costs? It only costs $6. Oh wow, that's so cool. Wow, he's so cute when he acts like that. Yeah. Oh, well, you want to play? Yeah, okay. So, can I use your dog, please? Oh, yeah, sure. Can I use your line? Oh, yeah. Come on, doggy. Ride up. That was awesome. Do it again. Do it again. Lion, he's almost having fun. Okay. All right, Lion. You ready? Ready you are. Okay. Oh, wait, Bluetooth, can you open the door, please? Ah, yeah. Oh, here you go. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Woohoo! Whoa, this is fun. I think I'm having a dream. Oh, come on, faster. Oh, you okay? I'm sorry. I'm really super fast. I don't know where I'm going. It's okay. Give me a call back right now. Sure. All right, let's go. Woo! Again! Okay then. Woo! Woohoo! I can't believe I can fly. Ah. So was it fun? It was lit. Super lit. Cool. Ah. It's super fun. Oh, help! He's ripping me! He's ripping my guts off! Hey, doggy! Don't do that, okay? It's okay. Are you okay? Are you okay? Uh, oh, uh, hey, Simba, are you okay? I don't hear his heart. I think he may be dead. Oh no! Oh, doggy, you don't do that. Oh, I'm sorry, Blue Toad. Oh, it's okay. Oh, come on. Let's take you to the vet. Doggy, you should know better. Ow! Ow! Help! Have mercy! Ah! Oh. Dude, are you okay? I'm okay. It's just hurting me. It's good. It tickles. Ow, ow, it hurts. Please get help. It's okay. Where's the vet owner? Where's the vet owner? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, oh, forget it. Let's just do it. Hey, vet owner. My friend is really help. Please help. Oh, I warned him. Just come on. Okay, jeez. So where he's at? He's over here. Help! Can't get off of him. Okay. Help me! Give me, you bad doggy! You are a bad doggy. Say your prayers, please. I'm sorry. Please, wait. You can talk. I'm sorry. I have bad. It, it's a long story. No excuse.